Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Peach Analytics. In this video, I will talk about one Tableau interview scenario based question. And that question is, we have to create one sheet where we have to show the bar chart based on category, subcategory and sales. And we need to add our average reference line and the color of the bar should be green or red based on the values. If that is greater than the threshold, or the average line, the color of the bar should be green. Otherwise, the color of the bar should be red. So here it is already implemented. Let's understand how to implement this scenario. So I'll open the sheet. First, we need to create a sheet using category, subcategory, and sales. And to add a reference line, so Tableau has the options. Right click on the axis, add reference line. And per pane, I want to show average for each category. So you can notice there are three lines coming. One is for furniture, second one is for office supplies, and third one is for the technology. So for each category, we can see the reference line, the average line, and if we hover on it, we can see the average sales for each category. Now the question is, we have to show a threshold that is achieved. Now we have to change the color of the bar based on the average line. So right now this average line is automatically created. We have not written any calculations, but we can see the data for each average line. We can see the average value for each furniture. Now let's write the calculations that will return the average of all the category. So to get it, we will use fixed LOD. Now, first thing we have to fix the category and the sum of sales. Now here we have to understand how this average line is coming. This is the average of all the subcategories. So if we sum the sub sales of bookcases, chairs, furnishing and tables and divided by 4, that is nothing but the average. So same thing we will do in the calculations. Get the sales for each category and divided by total number of subcategory. So whatever is the sales of furniture, divide that sales by number of subcategory. So in case of furniture, it will divide the total sales by 4. This will be the average sales. Now, if I drag this into the label, we can see it will return 185500, which is nothing but the average. Similarly, for office supplies, the average is 79894, which is coming from our calculations. So now the calculation is done. We are getting the average. Now we have to compare sum of sales greater than average sales, which we have calculated. Now it should be aggregate, so I'll just use sum. Now what we are doing, it will compare the sales of each subcategory. So for first subcategory, let me just add the sales also into the text. So the sales of bookcases is 114880. Now this will compare with the total sales or the average sales, which is 18500. So this calculation will return either true or false. Now, if the sales is greater than average sales, it will be true. If it is less than average sales, it will be false. Or we can write the calculation also. What we can do, if this condition is true, then show green color, else red color. I just want to assign two different color, either green or red. And now calculation is ready. I'll just put these calculations into the color. Now we will get two different color. I'll just modify it, edit the colors, green, assign the green color. For red, assign the red color. Now we can see If the bar is greater than average line, it is coming in the green color. If it is below than average line, it is coming in the red color for all the subcategory sales. So that's about this video.